Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. This video is just going to really quickly go over the importance of hiring a licensed attorney if you're seeking a licensed attorney to assist in immigration matters, United States immigration matters specifically. Same thing goes for that matter with taxation issues, really anything that involves legal work pertaining to the United States. Unfortunately, out in this region, sort of Southeast Asia generally, there are a lot of operators who, some of them call themselves various different sort of names, things like visa services, visa agents. Those are not really the people I'm really sort of discussing in this video. Those folks who are saying that that is their service and are being clear about that fact, that's fine. You know, visa agency, okay, understood, that's what you do, you provide visa agency services. More this video is talking about, unfortunately, there are various, let's call them people with bad intentions, for lack of a better term, who actually state that they are an American attorney, or they have licensure as an American attorney, or what you'll often see as American lawyer, which has certain connotations and has a specific definition, as well as attorney has a specific definition. And some of these individuals are not in fact so licensed. And the reason I'm bringing it up is sort of just to sort of stipulate that I indeed have a license. This is my current law license, at least at the state level. I have a federal law license as well. I also have a law license from the United States tax courts. As you can see back here, I did get a law degree. I am a qualified attorney in the United States, and this qualification allows me to represent individuals before Department of Homeland Security with respect to U.S. immigration matters, as well as the United States Department of State, specifically the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok. You know, pursuant to the fact that I'm a qualified attorney, I'm able to do that. If anyone is claiming that they are able to process U.S. immigration matters for a fee and they cannot produce a license similar to something like this, or basically a bar number from whatever jurisdiction they can't claim licensure in, be very, very suspect of dealing with someone that is making a claim to being a qualified lawyer from the United States, qualified attorney specifically from the United States. Because if an individual cannot produce a bar number, and you should be able to check with all 50 states and the various U.S. territories as to those licensed to practice within those jurisdictions, you can check. There are public databases to check this out. There's a public database for my specific law license that you can check out on the internet. It's fairly quick and easy. It'll immediately show my number and that I'm there and that's who I am. I'm bringing this up, again, I'm not particularly interested in quote-unquote mentioning or noting so-called, again, visa services, visa agents. If that is what someone says that they are, or an entity says that they are what they are. I guess you could say that's a correct definition of what they claim to be able to do. They're claiming to assist in the processing. It's those that claim to be qualified as an attorney, as a legal professional, that I think if they're not qualified, that, you know, in the United States, that's considered a crime. It's considered the unlicensed practice of law if you claim to be an attorney, you know, without actually having said credentials. But that being said, you know, those individuals, if anyone claims to be a lawyer and, you know, qualified to assist and represent individuals before the United States government, it is a very good idea to ascertain their credentials, ascertain their bar number, and just follow up very quickly, do a quick due diligence, and ascertain that if that individual is in fact licensed to do what he says he's able to do, he or she says they are able to do. So just to be clear what this is about, it's almost a due diligence matter. Just ascertain who you're dealing with before you retain someone who may not be qualified to provide legal services.